Do you want to grow your business using proven marketing techniques that you can easily do yourself? You have come to the right place. Stick till the end of this video because I will share amazing things for you to learn. Also, I'm going to show you why this course is so unique and different from other courses. Welcome to the Digital Marketing Course for All Businesses. My name is Walid, and I have helped thousands of businesses and people just like you grow their business online using exactly the same tools that you will learn from this course. So, while you are taking this course, you will see actual results in your own business. I have a bachelor degree in entrepreneurial management with a magnificent IT and media background, and I'm certified by Google for advanced Google Analytics. Therefore, I have combined my knowledge and experience to bring your business to the next level. It doesn't matter at what level you are. If you are a beginner with zero knowledge about marketing or intermediate with a few years of experience, and if you are advanced, still you are going to learn a lot of exciting topics from this course. The course is built for business owners, startups, freelancers, marketing executives, and digital marketing agencies, and it has been a bestseller from day one since it was published. Inside this course, you will learn how to develop a digital marketing strategy for any type of business, how to target your audience, design a modern, good looking website, create compelling content for each social media platform, set up profitable and affordable ad campaigns, learn how to copyright using secret formulas, learn SEO, learn about the legal policies for your online business, create videos using professional equipment on a budget, live streaming, podcasting, and much more. In addition to that, if you enroll in the course today, you get access to an early bird discount, including preparation for the Google Analytics certification, preparation for the Google Ads certification, Hub to Connect bronze membership, and last but not least, we will develop an essential website for your business. So hurry and don't miss your chance to get all of this during the early bird registration period. And by the way, I received many recommendations from Facebook groups for helping businesses with their digital marketing, and I will do everything to make sure that you benefit from the course. Get ready to learn a lot, have fun while doing so, and see real results. Get access to 2 years on the course, plus dozens of tools and resources, handy templates you can use again and again, and of course, the secret formulas. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to browse the course content, and I'm really looking forward to helping you become a successful digital marketer for your own business. So, what are you waiting for? Enroll today.